Alright, so welcome to another mathematics class. For today we'll be moving into a new topic. The topic for today will be about the properties of the cube and the cuboid. But before we get into the topic, teacher is going to sing a song with you, and after she finishes singing the song, we'll sing it together, right? Alright, so this is how the song goes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, So that's how the song goes, right? So now everybody stand up. Everybody stand up. Good. So now we all sing together, right? And we sing a bit faster than how teacher was singing it, right? Good. So 2, 3. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. So we say it one more time, right? Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes, and eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. All right, so I know everybody feel like they're ready for me to start a new math lesson now, right? Good, so everybody sit down. Good, so before we get into this lesson, I'd like us to recap on what we did in the last lesson so it'd be easier for us to start the new lesson. So, in our last lesson, we looked at shapes. Madison said we looked at shapes, and can anybody remember what else we looked at? Yes, Aisha said we looked at 2 main types of shape. And what did we say was the 2 main types of shape? Yes, Travis. So, here it says that they have 8 vertices, and we all know that the vertices of a solid shape are the points where the edges meet. So, some of us would call it the tip or the point, but the correct name is the vertex, or the vertices, once it's more than one. And here we have more than one vertices. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. So there are 8 vertices on a cube. Moving on, they say they have 12 edges. And the edges of a solid shape is the line segment where 2 faces meet. So remember that these flat surfaces are the faces. And when the faces meet, here is where we have the edges. And it says they have 12 edges. So here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 edges. So we have just finished the properties of the cube. Now we move on to the cuboid. It is also polyhedron, having 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. The faces of the cuboid are parallel, but not all the faces of the cuboid are equal in dimension. So you can see here that the cube and the cuboid has some relation together. So in the cube it has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. And also in the cuboid it has 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edges. So remember they said that the cuboid, not all the faces of the cuboid are equal. As you can see here, all the faces are not equal. But we do have 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces. We also have 8 vertices, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertices. We also have 12 edges, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have learned about the cube and the cuboid, and I know we all can say where the faces are, where the vertices are, and